What's up, guys? It's July 29th, 2025. Bears sold off, had a trading range. Kind of broke out of it at the end of the day, but we rallied right back into the low of the trading range. Weekly chart, daily chart. Bulls are getting bad follow through at highs. We're gonna have to wait for a few more bars on the weekly chart to know if this is a pullback or if this is the start to a reversal down, or we're gonna go sideways for a while. Here on the daily chart, we rallied, we went sideways. Enough momentum to get second leg up, and we're starting to get that second leg. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. So this bar went below this bar, and we went sideways. Here we rallied. This bar went below this bar, then it rallied. So we could be in that third leg. Bears are getting follow through now. So that's leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, and Bears starting to get follow through. First time Bears got follow through on the daily chart since no follow through, no follow through. Wow. So all the way since May, Bears haven't had two bear bars in a row. Is that right? May. Well, here's kind of bad follow through, but yeah, it's been a while since Bears actually got follow through. So that's interesting to see. I did trade my funded account, but I got slaughtered in the morning, so I traded some options and I did all right. I'll show you. Pretty much the expanding triangle. I want to say I traded this, but I think it was this one. So I took this short here. I got stopped out. Then I took this short here. I sized up a little bit. I got stopped out. I took this long, got stopped out. I don't know why I didn't hit it. Maybe because I sized up a little bit, it was harder for me to hit out, so that's my fault. And then before the market opened, I tried to go for a short here, and then I just got stopped out. But the problem was I sized up on each one, so I took a nasty hit. And then I traded options, and I just took a couple swings. I actually shorted here and here, and I got out at right at 12:30 because that's the time you got to close 0DT. So that was pretty cool. Made a little bit on the options account. The funded account took a nasty hit because I kept scaling up after each loss, thinking the next one was going to be a winner. And then I got hit with the expanding triangle. The heart. I hate expanding triangle so much. Anyways, be a bit of a quick one here. Gap up, trading range bar. Bulls are buying highs, Bears are selling highs. Bulls are buying lows. You can see that Bears, let's do this right. So Bears are going to short the high. So Bears that short the high want to see immediate follow through. Instead they get bar two, which is kind of this point in time, we don't know if the gap up's going to get follow through. So there's bullish momentum. And I'll tell you one reason why I shorted today, because I actually made a decent amount today on the options contract, because I noticed that we gapped up above yesterday. Yesterday was a trading range, so we rallied trading range. We gapped up, and then I started to get short right around here, right around yesterday's high. So the risk was capped, and I was really hoping for a really big spillover, but I still caught a decent amount. I got short right around there, and I got at 12:30. So what is? Oh, I don't know what that equates to in SPY, catch in dollar amount, but yeah, caught a pretty decent amount. Probably, I don't know if I'm gonna keep rolling the option account or I'll cool it for a little bit because these days don't come around too often. I don't want to just squander it. It was an outside day. That was pretty interesting. Anyways, that was a trade I took with options, and I got slaughtered on the funded. So rally, and then bar three sells off. So there's more bears willing to short bar two, which means bears think this is climactic. Oh yeah, the one I totally missed the whole reason why I thought today was a good short. So price position, yeah, we're failing around yesterday's high. Yesterday was a trend line break for the bulls. So there's a rally here, trend line break, and then this can usually be so after the trend line break, this can usually be the final leg. So this was the final leg, failing around the highs. So I was like, okay, maybe we can catch a short here. So this rally was the final leg. Yesterday's price action today's gap up. And then just to show you that kind of price action is fractal, look at this trend line break. Oh. Wait a minute. Look at this trend line break here. And then your final leg leads to a new low and then reverses. Trend line break. Final leg led to a new high in reverse. So price action is fractal. Here's the bull version and here's the bear version. I thought that was kind of cool. Then we get a lot of selling. We see some tails, so bulls are buying out. 15 closes on its low, breaking out below the EMA. See that the bulls that bought the high, bought the EMA. They almost got out for break even on 19 when it came up to that 50% mark. They start to sell out because they don't have a lot of conviction in holding this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bear bars in a row, trying to get a second leg down. Bulls are now buying the high of 8.19 tail. And then look at the leg on 20 and 21, the rally. See, bulls are now trapped up here. They buy more here. They get out break even 21, and it sells off for a climactic leg. I like this trade here. I didn't take it. I wish I did because I would have been all right in the funded account, but I erased a lot of profits on that. 50% from the high of 19, even all the way up here. 50% of the high sells off. Remember I was talking to you guys about how I wanted to do a back test on legs that go from 7 a.m. to around 9 a.m. 50% pullback. Set it and forget it. This is kind of that trade right here that worked out today. Filled right here and sold off. That was interesting. I still haven't done the back test because they're not too frequent. I might have to just I'll just forward test it and just keep taking until I get 100. But I'll see whatever makes the most sense at that time. Anyways, so this entire leg got a leg 2. Filled right around here and sold off. This was a tricky one. This rally looks like it can get a second leg. It ends up being a second leg trap. Leg 1, pull back leg 2 under the higher time frame EMA. 45 is a high 1 after 3 legs. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, high 1. Generally better sell, and that's also testing the breakdown point right around here. Sells today's a little bit faster. I've been pretty busy today, so I apologize. I'm about to speed through this. Sells off 46 through 52, trying to get second leg down, so we can do the exercise again. Rally here, and look at the 50% mark. This is a nice trade to take. Bears have momentum. We're below the higher time frame EMA. This leg, you get filled on 55-ish. Got that sit through some sideways price action, but then you get filled around 74. And then you could catch a leg 2 for the bulls. Trade around yesterday's low. Rally, 56, pulls back, filled on 57, and then exited on 58. So that's pretty good here. These 3 bars, well, that's already 3 legs up for the bulls. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. So that's a wedge top into resistance, which is the EMA. But even if you did get filled here, you would almost get stopped out. So you had a 10, almost you get filled on 64. Yeah, sometimes you get break even here, break even on 68 and 69. Bulls that bought up here, you can see the rally for the bears. So this is a better short. Bulls that get trapped on 63, buy more on 66 is low. Get out 50% mark around 68, 69, sells off, and you hit your 1-to-1 again. So I hope you guys had a good day. Kind of a trend day. Well, we had more training range. Market cycle resets on the breakout below the EMA. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. That's the third leg, so training range behavior. And we see that here. Bears go for a new low at the end of the day, but it reverses back to right around the training range low. Hope you guys had a good one. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. If you learned something, share, show, don't be a hoe. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you for your time. Bye.